Welcome back from the break, and I'm the one they call Boog, and this is my world.
Yeah. Well, I wish at times that I just
definitely love the meat pies. You know what I mean?
Something real fancy like them superstars. Well, let me tell you about
listening to music as a kid through my older brothers and my older sisters, you know, cassette tapes that were all around the house. At the time, I really didn't know who anybody was. But what I did know that I loved reggae. And I was listening to Bob at the time, and I was listening to Dennis and Gregory Isaac, Barrington Levy, like everybody who was on those cassette tapes. I finally got to know their names, and I guess my biggest influence really was Bob Marley. He kind of helped me, I guess, escape the reality that I was in and just to relax and vibe out and chill, you know? He brought me into a better mood, and I think that's the state of mind that we try to push our music into, you know? He could help me do that in the situation I was in. Hopefully I can do that with somebody else.
That is much easier. That is much easier.
Plans for this year for music, we really can't wait to release our album. We've been working on it for a long time, and we have a lot of great artists that helped us along the way, man. And yeah, we're proud to be two-time nominated with Morgan Heritage's album and Soldier's album. Grammy nominees, man. Hopefully we take one home this year.
Make some noise for your
It's hard to get good food on the road, so we're always in the damn bus, eating gas station burritos and trying to find something good to eat. And so when we do go home, it's kind of a relief because we get to finally cook what we want to eat, you know what I mean? I mean, I love cooking, and I think my favorite thing to cook is ramen, but not like Saimini ramen, you know what I mean? Like ramen from like Japanese style ramen. I've been trying to create my own broth and style it and everything, but it's all right, it's coming. The reason why I know how to cook so well is because I think my mom, right? So when I was a kid, it would be hot outside, you know, Pops got all the boys out there working on the car or working on the backyard cleaning up, right? And I wake up, I see that. I say, oh, Mom, you need help in the kitchen? You know what I mean? Like, try to get out of anything that had to deal with outside. So, you know what I mean? And it worked, because I was right there. I was like the sous chef, you know what I mean? She makes papa, chop suey, kalimoa, and I think my mom's main dish is pulingi. You know what I mean? With the right sauce, everything's nice. 2 dishes that I would cook a date that'll seal off the evening. Not ramen, but I'll cook saimingi and a bowl of cereal. And if she don't like that, if she's not with you for that, then she don't deserve it. If she ain't down with the saimingi and the Vienna sausage days, she ain't gonna be with you for the prime rib and all of that other stuff. You feel me? Hacha! Run it!
Right now, we about to get in a brand new joint by Boog. It's entitled Let It Blaze.
You know, there were times where, as a kid, where you see stuff that wasn't right. You see stuff that was right. What we were blessed with was a steady household with our mom and dad, you know what I mean, to keep everything in check. But when stuff did get bad, you know what I mean, I turned to my music. I turned to turning up the radio and listening to the songs and the lyrics, and all of those songs were mainly about love and upbringing, you know what I mean? That, like, there'll be a rainbow at the end of this rain. And that's what helped me out a whole lot, man. Being able to go across country and spread the word, spread reggae music, and spread our people's vibe, you know what I mean? Many people really don't know where we come from or what we are. They think we're either Puerto Ricans or Mexicans or Dominicans or something like that. Knowing that we're coming from a small rock from the South Pacific, it's a dope feeling to spread that.
I enjoy every minute of every day.